The underside of our Marina GT is worse than we thought. In this episode, we clean off the underseal, start the repairs, and then change our plans again. It's been a long hard job chipping off all the underseal, and only one man had the wrist action for it. Matt has done a great job, but it has revealed some areas of rot. Every repair we need to do to the driver's side, we will have to do the same to the passenger side. And we still have a few broken bolts we need to remove. We aren't going to go into a lot of detail with most of these repairs as they're mainly simple patches. Matt worked on his own doing an hour or so a day so he could get all the paint off and leave us with shiny metal. Look at all the dust it left behind.
Where did we get to last time? Can't remember. We've done that bit, which I'm happy with. I've got that to do. In fact, I'll draw around it. So I've got that to cut out and replace that. I've got that to do there. But what I'm going to do today is, these are the seat reinforcement plates, which is really thick steel, so I'm going to drill those spot welds out, get rid of that plate, replace the reinforcement plate, and then replace that skin, and then the same on that side. So that's tonight's job. And then if I do get a chance, I'll do that, but I'll do these bits first.
Very nice, well done. Excellent bit of welding.
No, it's very nice welding.
Oh, you finished? You finished that? Oh, was that open?
Yeah.
We found a few holes.
Yeah, so I'm up here.
Yeah. So it's just them to do, and then obviously clean all your tabs up for thingies.
I'm probably just going to replace all of that. I'm probably going to cut that off.
Oh, well,
Replace
it's probably
all
worth
that.
it, innit?
Yeah.
Also, do you know the tab things?
Yes.
I think we should, get them like weld-on ones like they have on Beamers or Rovers, like a weld-on thing where the pipes sit in, and you put clips on, plastic, and so screw in.
Yeah, we might be able to do
rather
that with
than
Ryan's.
stupid clips.
Might be able to do that with Ryan's. We just need a spot welder thing to spot weld them on.
These are the reinforcement plates that Simon took off. And these are the seat brackets that mount to them. And what better time to run them through the sandblaster to clean off all the paint and then give them a fresh new paint job. We have been sent a mystery package from one of our viewers. Thank you, Russell. If you have any BL related tap that you want to dispose of, drop us an email and we'll let you have our address.
Original factory.
Way! Look at that.
Look. It's even wrote a letter. Howdy all. It's from Russell.
Oh,
I was having a tidy up at home and found this folder from my dad's Allegro. Years ago, my mum and dad came up for the weekend and dad saw an advert enclosed for genuine one owner, low mileage Austin Allegro.
Oh, Quartic, look at that.
What's your coffee? You can spill it.
No, I'm getting excited.
It went genuine one owner, low mileage Allegro. It went for look, not expecting much, but it was spotless. The owner really was a vicar, the Reverend
He
Cherrington.
really was a vicar.
His son is a local estate agent. However, the reason it was spotless
Can we
was that
build
the
that?
old boy's eyesight was not great, so most of the panels had been renewed. It was a 1750 model. Found the steering heavy when I drove it, but Dad liked it. Until some years later, a piss artist hit him up the arse.
Is that what he says?
Car written off. He still has a stainless exhaust system for it in the shed. He told me he was going to give it to me to keep as a classic car. Christ, that was lucky. So I bought the Morris Oxford instead. I found the folder and thought you would like it. Perhaps you can use some of the BMC stuff with your Marina, or even if you purchase an Allegro, as that will piss off far more Escort owners than the Marina.
I love it. Absolutely.
I chucked some other crap in there you might like, or you can swap it for things you need. P.S. I also have a pile of garage service manuals that cover all makes of cars, but they're a bit heavy to post unless you are heading down this way. You can chant them. The Morris Oxford is gathering apace. Bullaway Bob came over at the weekend and we got the bloody doors off. A right bastard, as the cars have more fixings to them. Brr. Going to leave it alone for a few weeks as I have a TARDIS to build for Halloween. The deal with the local kids is I set up an event each year with tweets and they let me keep the wheels on my Skoda. They drive hard back and your videos cheer me up, especially after chemo. It's something to look forward to. And it's nice to see you all working together so well. Having a few extra hands makes all the difference to getting the job done. And Bullaway Bob gets a good laugh when I smack me hands with a big hammer and say F a lot.
Love it. Love it.
P.S. Tell Sam I need to fit a tracking device to that lovely Ford.
Oh,
if you need advice, let me know.
This is awesome. I love that.
That's good, isn't it? What have we got then? Just various BL stuff.
Yeah. Obviously, there's a salvage thing in
Wow,
this.
look at that.
I know, we're definitely sticking them in.
Wow.
100% they'll
Look
be
at
going in the
them.
windows. 100%.
Yeah, really. Do you imagine if you ring up AA up and go, I bought this car.
What do you mean if? You mean when? We'll be the best customers when that goes on road. Oh, love it. Oh, look, there's the original advert, look. 11,000 miles from new.
What year was that? I don't know. No, it doesn't say, does it?
We've got an Allegro on one side and an American Pit Bull Terrier on the other.
Ooh!
Ooh,
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
How convenient.
June 92.
Oh, it's for a,
Must admit, I do quite like an Allegro estate. Can we get one of them next? They look really nice, them.
You have to get new friends.
Nobody will have me.
That's true.
Looking for pictures, but it's just
A lot of friends.
quite rubbish.
Ready in there.
Marketplace. There we go. Austin Allegro, 1.3 estate, low mileage, 500 quid. Shall we give him a ring now? See if they still got it. When's this from? 1992.
Wow.
That's awesome. Love it.
Thank you, Russell.
Yeah. Thanks, Russell.
Very sweet.
Somebody cut the envelope up so we need to keep that somewhere safe. I'll put it in that cupboard
Out
up
at
there.
dust. Out at dust.
A few weeks ago we bought a pot blaster to use on the Marina floor pan. We hadn't even tried it out, so I had no idea how effective it was. We had to change a few fittings on our compressor and then we were ready to go. We couldn't find the funnel to fill the blaster with media, so we had to improvise using Ryan's juice bottle.
I've never known you come up with a good idea yet. Till now.
We knew he wouldn't mind. We loaded it up with the most aggressive media we had and we tried it out on a piece of scrap metal, I mean the Morgan inner wing. This was too aggressive for the delicate Marina floors, so we're going to use the soda we got with it. This will be in a future episode. Not wanting to keep it simple, stupid Matt has the crazy idea of fitting an MGB gearbox with overdrive. As you can see, they are a slightly different size. Before we offer it up, just to see how many mods we need to make, it needs a clean.
What we're doing is we're using the new trend of using an ice blaster, but we're using it in liquid form.
If you've ever fitted an MGB gearbox to a Marina, let us know in the comments how it went. We know the top of the transmission tunnel will need to be raised by about 50mm and the gear stick hole moved, which leads to problems with the centre console.
There you go. We're in.
Right, weld it. Get welder out. So look, we're there, look.
Which is where we said it'd be. So it is literally.
So loads of room round here, look. Loads of room there.
It's the height we're not, because obviously it's going to go. It needs to go further in, doesn't it?
So it must take them off now.
Well, that's what's needed, isn't it?
Could we do it now?
If he's left his drill out, potentially.
Oh yeah, I've not brought mine.
His drill's there.
Still's there. What do you think?
Well, what's it going to gain us? Because it's touching that already.
It's what?
So we know it's going to go in.
Oh, that's. Oh yeah, that's that in it. Oh yeah, that's what gear lever all, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're not really going to gain out. The gearbox is leaking. I wonder why. It's the height, it's the next bit. Where does this need to go in relation to... Because that's pretty much...
Well, we don't know that yet. We're going to have to...
But it can't be that low front car, can it? It's definitely got to go a lot further
Well, I would
in.
say it's going to be something... That front's going to be something like that.
Yeah, I agree. So it's top at gearbox off.
But well, that one, was that higher than the other one?
Yeah.
Was it a little bit?
Yeah.
It was a little, what much was it?
No. But what we could do is chop the tunnel off of that MGB gearbox and sit it on this.
So that's gone, yeah. Yeah, we're going to have to. Well, it's up to you.
I think that's what we need
You
to
do
do.
what you need. But we need to get... Might have to even get front... ideally, just that block. A block mounted up.
Agreed, yeah.
And that's it. So
Yeah.
I need a back plate on it. I need a front plate on it, so it can.
Oh,
can
that's
go.
what's important. Get the block
Just
bolted
the block,
up
and
in
at least
place.
it's light enough to muck about with.
And then we can
do
work
it
out.
on sideways, can't we?
Yep.
You know,
Missed that before.
take it over there.
Oh, great. More welding. Every time I look at it, we find it's you. You just keep finding work for me. Can you? Can we not just? Can we not
Jules told me.
Can we not just blather it in
Jules
shots?
told me, please.
Can we not just blather
Please
it in
get him
shots?
down to the workshop more often. So I says, right, fine. I shall just find the shittiest car I can.
Let's just blather it in shots.
Shittiest car I
and be
can.
done.
Well, we can't now because everyone knows.
Yeah, he's not going to record it.
He is. He's recording now.
He's not recording. We'll put Mike in shot, then it won't go on film.
Yeah.
Oh, you just keep finding work for me. Every time I keep
And
thinking
why
of
have
it,
I
Ian,
found it?
You keep moving the goalposts.
Right, fine. Let's scrap it.
Yeah, let's scrap it.
Scrap it.
Let's
I
be
ain't
done.
bothered.
Let's
Mike,
be done.
Sell it. Sell them wings and that front end.
We're going to attempt this in a future episode, but in the meantime, let's carry on with fixing the floor.
What time do you call this?
Evening.
Oh, our draft is done.
Good. For that. Fucking hell, what's going on? Have you been burgled?
Yeah. Yeah, they've stolen all the tea.
You have and all. Just stick some hot water in it.
Thanks for watching.